Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, and we back up in this thing with another quick video, man. Today I got something special for y'all, man. You saw the thumbnail, you already know what time it is. You know, we got the Mars Yard, 2.0, well, Overshoe, Mars, whatever the call this shoe. Whoop, excuse my French. Yeah, but we got that thing in the building, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy, Nate Triple OG. It's my brother, from another mother. I went and got these for him, picked these up for him, man. I wasn't really feeling this shoe. We're about to get into why, you know what I'm saying? But if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And make sure you holler at your boy in that comment section, man. You know what I'm saying? Join the Flu Gang. Join the Flu Gang family. You already know what time it is. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's get into the shoe. Bang bang. You know what I'm saying? You see the box, man. The Mars Yard Overshoe joint. All the crazy writing over it. Tom Sachs 2018. This is 2019 though. Waterproof enough as it damn well better be. You know what I'm saying? But not waterproof. They got it in the fine print down here. Water resistant. Water resistance test 100%. Yada yada yada. Who cares? This shoe did retail for a whopping $550. Jesus Christ. You know what I'm saying? And this is a size 9. As I told y'all, I really didn't care too much to hide this sneaker. All hype is not good hype. All hype is not for your boy. You know what I'm saying? But, get into the box. As you can see, special periodic table paper. You know what I'm saying? Crazy, Let's see, is that actual periodic table? That is the actual periodic table of the elements. Weird little, signs and insignia, as you can see. But what we came here to see today is the actual item, baby. As you can see, the Mars Yard Overshoe. You know what I'm saying? And that baby blue, white, tart, IKEA tart, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, man, these things are, pretty unique, pretty interesting, you know what I'm saying? I think, now you know what, we're not even gonna take these to the table, man. We gonna leave these things just like that. I'll be right back. Bam. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, blue, kind of rubber, panel going around the side. You know what I'm saying? And that powder blue. Black outsole mixed with the baby blue, traction pad. We got, the two, buckle, car straps. These kind of remind me of when your mom was trying to get your bed from the furniture store. And she'd tie your bed on top of the car in the truck. You got two of those just like that going across the toe of the shoe. Red kind of pull tabs, just to kind of give it some pop, some color. This canvas like material. So a lot of, you probably thought that this was like some kind of light material that they kind of had going on around this, just from pictures and whatnot. But nah, bruh, I'm here to tell you that this shit is as thick as like a fucking overcoat. Like this shit is not. This is the potato bag right here, and it's super 10 times thicker than that. As you can see in there, you got kind of the reinforced material going on underneath that thing, man. Full parachute steez. You know what I'm saying, baby? Full parachute steez. But also, if you're paying attention, you look a little closer in there, you can kind of see, the OG traditional, just kind of Mars Yard shoe, just kind of hidden up in there, the Tom Sachs, joint. We know a lot of people, quote unquote, been playing around with like cutting this material off, but for $550, $600, in Chicago without 10.25 tax. I just don't understand how you would ever in your fucking mind think that you got to cut this material. First of all, it's gonna be more trouble than it's worth. I'm telling you, this material ain't no joke. You know what I'm saying? But for $550, bro, come on, bruh. Like, bruh, how are you doing that? You know what I'm saying? Just say no. Just say no, fam. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I mean, I guess in the inside, with the actual inside of the shoe, the actual, OG portion of the Tom Sachs joint, and they do got the swooshes in the inside too. The materials, if you've never had a pair of those in hand, the materials are, pretty premium up in here. I can't imagine how soft and how comfortable the leather just feels. Like you kind of see that leather in there. It's just really soft and plush, man. So that gotta feel great. You got the cork, insoles in this thing. However, for the people that, team resale out here, if you do want to kind of resell and sell them joints, they do provide you with the additional kind of, insoles, man, with, even a little bit of padding on the bottom of them. So you just not, messing up the cork insoles. And these do come with designs, probably reminiscent to the paper that's inside the box, just for you to, kind of feel cool, cozy, and comfortable around rocking these on a daily basis. Especially if you are actually going to be wearing these in the elements, you're probably not going to want to, wet up the cork with the soggy, filthy, stinking socks. That'd just be super trash. And you'd be super dirty for that. Yeah. So, yeah, man. My thoughts on the shoe, man, just to get into it. Yeah, this shoe trash, man. If you spend $550 on this, man, you a straight up hype beast. This is straight up strictly for the hype. You know what I'm saying? Insert my video, please.
Man, get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Get all the way the fuck out of here. Get all the way the fuck out of here, man.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is super trash, man. Y'all know it. This is all about the hype, man. The OG versions of these, okay, I could dig it. Them shit's going for three stacks, 3 racks. I don't know where the hype for those came from either. But yeah, nah.
Bullshit. You can mess me with the bullshit. Get the fuck out of here.
I mean, tell me how this cannot be in the end of the year trash videos. Bullet RCDs better be in the the Basura trash of the year videos you're doing at the end of the year. I'm definitely gonna do one. These gotta go in it, man. These aren't cool. These are way out. You know what I'm saying? Definitely show. But you know what these remind me of? The female moon boot, baby. Nike finally gave us one that, I guess these guys, the Young Thug, Legion can get out here and rock, insert the picture somewhere in here. Yeah, you see it on the screen. I know you're probably looking at this and thinking, yeah, I see where you're going with that. You're absolutely right. These are not it. These will look goofy as hell on anybody's feet. Thank God the community knows the clout behind these and what they are. But if you're really going hard for these, these are trash. But I mean, hey man, that's just my opinion. Your friendly neighborhood Q the Flu, baby. Y'all let me know in the comment box what y'all think about these, how y'all feel about these. And I challenge you not to look at just the price tag, man. Just take the hype out of it, man. Take the semi-greatness of the original version of these out the picture, and really give your complete, honest, objective thought. And I guarantee you that you too will come up with the same observation as I did. Possible. But that's it. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rocking. Gang. We out.
This Chicago.